The title's gonna rattle a lot of you, but you're gonna quickly realise that it's not aimed at all of you, it's just aimed at a certain minority. Alright, this drop is hard. You ready, yeah? The speakers in here are 10-10, mate. First of all, before we get into the video, I do want to say that I'm very, very grateful, bro. I'm currently on my way to work to make money, and I can make money via the commute, mate. Are you deep enough? I can just talk, and I get like 60-70 quid a video now. And that's the only thing going up, right? So trust me when I say this, I am grateful. But the topic of discussion today, oh bloody national speed limit, man. I just like to drive around and I film it, yeah? It's better than me sitting here knobbing my hand or just listening to music in silence. I make money just by talking, you lot enjoy it, it's a win-win, you get me? So I started my car content. I'm not reviewing all the Tesla Model 3, blah, 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 bro. I do Yaris POV. I just do car-related content. I was thinking about doing it when I first passed my test about 3-4 years ago, but I didn't. Why? Because the car community are dorks. I like cars. I'm not obsessed, bro. I can't name you the specs of that engine or how many cylinders are in that Transit. But any car I've owned, I've been interested in it. I care about my car. I get them tuned, I do basic modification, so I'm a car guy. And I think the majority of car guys are like me anyway. You got one step above me, the ones who go to the car meets. Now I used to be one of these lot. So they got a normal hustle, they got a nicer car, let their hair loose on a Sunday and they start ragging up and down at meets. They're blessed as well. What I'm trying to say, they got a life outside their car. Why is everyone driving like a snail today? I'm talking about them lot who argue about car specs. What I've noticed whilst doing these car videos is there's a lot of dorks watching me now, bro. I've never had so many nerds with their eyes on me. So many incels just looking at me, bro. I feel like a pole dancer. And I knew this would happen. It's what stopped me from doing this, like making car content for so long. Because I know I'm not the type to shag my exhaust pipe. But others are, bro. That's just how it is. And then when these lot watch your videos, you lose faith in humanity, mate. Imagine a £50 note and I give it to some guy and he gives me a Yaris. A Yaris that's falling apart. I drive around the block with a camera on my head and I put it on YouTube. I don't care, innit? I just drag and drop the MP4 file to my Google account. I go bed, I call it a day. That's just example one. Bro, why's the road got acne? Can I not have a moment's peace just to sit still? But what am I getting at here? I know a lot of people who are rich and I know a lot of people who are broke as well. See that Riz? So, anyway. Oh, your dad's dead? You buried him in the porch. Why would you bury your dad and then do a driveway? Is that why it's slanted? You buried your dad and paved your driveway. Surely that's gonna bring the cost down a bit. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. What I'm trying to say, this car content has attracted so many people to comment on my videos, their like financial state. They all claim to have an M3. Even though I'm driving around now, I haven't seen a single M3, but everyone in the comments has one. They all tell me that like they just put their salary in the comments, making 100,000, we're on 4 extra. And I'm just like, bro, I know enough rich people to know that if you're genuinely living that life, you're not commenting it on my YouTube video. Why the no, genuinely, you're not watching Yaris POV drive, mate. I'm very grateful if you do, but you're not. Natural selection, bro. It is what it is. Imagine cashing out 100 bags, coming home and watching Yaris POV. Wait, I've not even gotten to the point of my video. I feel like this video is waffle. Oh, why is there so many holes in the floor? Let's pull aside in it and think. Let me scratch my head. Oh yeah, hate comments. Bro, it recently has come to my attention while I was replying to my comments like I usually do with my paragraphs of love speech down below. Someone commented a hate comment. Someone watched my video. No. Let me break down the whole situation for you, brother, yeah? When I was 15, I was stressed because I didn't have an accountant. And by 16, I had an accountant. Some of you lot are like, you've got to be over 20, yeah? And you're typing messages on YouTube videos. like some bad bitch. Like some girl, bruv. Like, oh, you're not a true car person. And no, this guy doesn't know anything. You could have got an M140i. How does commenting a hate comment, how does doing that cross your mind? How do you like think, right, it's that time of day where I need to drop this comment? Let me get it straight. No, come on, let me try it. Okay, look, you clicked on my video. You watched my video thoroughly enough to analyze what I'm saying. You scrolled down. you got your keyboard out and you started typing. You made a bunch of life choices, and now you're emotional over those life choices that you made, like you're some single baby mom. You know videos where I say how much I bought a car for? Even on the 50 quid one, there's always one, I would have bought it for 25 quid. You're an idiot. I'm intrigued, what goes behind the mind of when you type that? Do you like roll up your sleeves and go, you get ready to you loser. And you nah, sorry bro, I think I'm funny, I can't lie. I'm alright, where was I? What was I even on about? What was I on about? Oh yeah, you roll up your alright, composure, come on. So you get your keyboard, you type your hate comment, you press enter, you sit back, and what do? You like cross your arms and grin with your other hand and your bollocks in it. Yeah, I see through all you, man, you know that, innit? Like constructive criticism, I'm all for it, yeah. But if you just leave like a generic hate comment, then you just know instantly, you're literally telling me, oh, I get acrylic, so I need a BBL. Like, you're just a female. Bro, I know females with more testosterone than you. I'm not even, wallah, I swear to God, yeah. I ain't saying this to try and deflect hate comments or nothing, bro. Hate all you want, you can carry on doing this, yeah. I'm just, if I can change the mindset of one male, just one man, then just know I did my job, bro. I'm getting over 10k views a video, so I truly believe that I can convert one male who's currently a female back into a male. As a man, you're not supposed to be getting emotional over online videos. It doesn't matter, our internet's not real. Or you see something that you disagree with, you go back to your normal life and you do better. You take my mistake as a lesson, you improve yourself. It's never that deep. You don't need to get emotional over POV Yaris. It's literally a product of having car enthusiasts watching your videos. I'm not saying all car enthusiasts are incel virgins. I'm saying there's a lot of car enthusiasts that are incel virgins. Like when I went to car meets, there was a lot of, I love old cars, yeah, but generally the cars that were older and much lower performing, not many mods done to them, they were there like pinpointing and picking all the faults in everyone's M3. That Renault Megane RS is a very good car, bro. And bro, so many people just chat shit about it. They're just driving fucking 1 litre Golf with a tinted headlight. It's always these little TikTok mechanics, or the people who just don't own the cars are always saying the most about the, oh, M5 is faster than RS6, bro. They don't know anything about the price tag on both cars. They don't know anything about performance. They don't realise that because one car's 420 horsepower and the other one's 400 horsepower does not mean that the 400 horsepower car is slow. Genuinely, if you're chatting about cars that you've never owned, you're not in a financial position to own, you're just talking about all the people around you's motors who are worth 10 times more than yours, and you're doing nothing to better your position, I do not respect you. I just see you as a female. If you're a girl, then I get it. They're just naturally, you're going to be more emotional. But if you're a man, I don't know, it's just a loophole I never went down, commenting hate. I just, from young, I never really did it. In terms of social media, I've always just seen it as a money source, bro. I've always been making content on it and making money on it. I ain't got time to sit there and comment. And I'm saying I've noticed this with having a car-based fan base. Done the transition about 2 months ago, and oh my god, I get some salty comments now. I get such virgins watching my videos. Well, I want to say this now, you've probably already clocked anyway. My videos, I'm just filming what happens in it. Like, I'm just keeping it real. I'm just filming what I've got, what car I own, whatever car I'm driving, I just slap a camera on, you get me? I'm not going to go out my way to review the new Cybertruck. I don't care, innit? I'm not bothered. I'm just here for entertainment. I'm entertaining myself, bro. But I love watching my videos back. I think I'm funny. I'm jokes, mate. I'm hilarious. I talk on my way to make money. I'm making money on the way to make money. Like right now, yeah, there'll be a hate comment on this video 100%. I'm on a roundabout, bro. You know what I mean? You can comment all the hate you want, be emotional as you want, bro. At the end of the day, I'm just on a roundabout. Oh, I don't want to rip into you lot too much because I feel like this will make a lot of you very insecure. But you know what? I'm not gonna, someone needs to hear it. It's the boost you all need, yeah? You sat there in this life, you got no girls, you got no money, no house, a normal job, but you just go to your uni course, you don't even like it. Like, it was just sort of the next step. You just sort of had to go to uni because it was like, oh, I finished school and I've got really nothing else going for myself, so I went to uni. Some course that you don't even care about. You just, you know what I mean, parents, innit? Gotta have something to show for the family. You're directionless, you don't know your purpose. Not only you're flopping in this life, bro, you're also flopping in the hereafter, bro. Genuinely, bro, can you imagine? It's Judgment Day, yeah? and they're asking you, yo, oh yeah, I mean, I racked up no good deeds because I was constantly backbiting and gossiping in comments like a bad bee. I also flopped this life, I also had no money. Now you lot, yeah, not genuine, that's a real point. I mean, dead serious. You're flopping in the afterlife, yeah, you're getting no good deeds, you're doing nothing good there. You're flopping in this life, no good deeds, nothing good's happening here, you're making nothing of yourself. Like, you just peaked in high school and now you're just sort of lingering, bro. You're finished. Yeah, you don't pray, you're not serious about the afterlife, but you're also just lingering here. You don't get any money here. You might as well be a nugget. Oh, bro, you're a flop. You're a loser. Genuinely, there's more to it. I might comment one word replies, but if you comment a hate comment, I don't even have to read the comment. If I know what it's about and the point you're trying to get across, which most of the time you're an airball and it's usually nothing, you're just a bit sad and you're letting it out on me. I just forget what you wrote. I just read it as, look, I'm emotionally wrecked, bro. I'm a little bit of a female. I imitate females, bro. I'm emotionally wrecked and I really got nothing going for myself, so I'm just here. I'm a loser. I'm commenting on your video because if I don't comment on your video, I'm doing nothing. By all means, comment on my video, leave constructive criticism, leave a nice comment. Don't quit your uni course just because I said. You need to remember this video is aimed at a certain incel type of person, usually a car enthusiast. If you fall under the category of the type of people that I've just mentioned in this video, it's just up to you. It's on you. Life is what you make it. I know people with businesses, nice cars, they're making £1 million a year, bro. I was actually talking to someone the other day who was making $1 million a year. Got to that point, he's younger than me, mashallah. I know you're watching, brother. You think he's gonna go on my video and type a hate comment? No. He don't have time. He's just supporting me same way I support her, he does. I used to know another guy who used to comment hate on my videos, and it was someone I knew, and I saw him once in person. He was working his job at McDonald's. Nothing wrong with working your job at McDonald's, but that is not really a long-term reliable thing, is it? And you're a male specifically, please tell me that you're doing something to change your situation, you know? Because in this economy, bro, you're gonna struggle to get a house and to provide for your children if it's just you working at McDonald's at the end of the day, innit? The McDonald's workers, they know this, which is why I specifically mentioned him. He's not doing anything to better himself, which is why he has spare time. He has time to comment. He has time to watch all the videos and comment. He gets emotional over them and he comments, bro. He comments hate. It's just, it's feminine. I went on a bit longer than I thought. I don't know if you can tell, but I've just done a fat loop. I was meant to go up there, but it just went on a bit longer, bro. Yeah, I literally wanted to say that, innit? You know, I've been making 2 videos a week. I wasn't even gonna film this, but I thought, you know what? I'm using the car anyway, I might as well just get it done. But yeah, take that in. If you're gonna comment a hate comment on this video, sure, bro, whatever. But if you were gonna comment a hate comment or you've commented previously and now you're starting to think, yeah, the guy kinda has a point, have some self-respect. You're valuable, you're worth something. You'll find your purpose soon. You won't find it in my comment section, bro. You're gonna get a one-word reply saying true. I don't actually read it. So you're arguing with a wall. You lot who support me, I wish nothing for the best on all of you lot. Look how good these tyres are, Rev. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Also, give me some car suggestions down below because I'm in the market for a new one. Finally, the tunes can come back on. I'll watch the drop.